Together with an administrator, Arnel Ignacio, ay may pagpapauwi ng fourth batch, 60 on Monday. And most of them will be hotel workers. But for this fourth batch, there will be more hotel workers, around 32 hotel workers and 28 caregivers coming home. And this will bring the total to 119 OFWs plus 4 infants. No? Kailangan kong banggitin siyempre yung 4 infants kasi Pilipino yung 4 infants na uuwi at sila naman din ay tinutulungan natin, ano, yung mga babies na pauwi. So that brings us to a grand total of 123 by Monday. Kasi hindi pa nakauwi yung 60 plus 2, 62. 60 OFWs plus 2 infants. And then on the ground, ay patuloy ang pagmamanman ng sitwasyon ng ating labor attaché at welfare officer ng OWA, labor attaché ng DMW at ng welfare attaché ng OWA, yung pag-iikot sa mga rescue sites, rescue zones, kung saan nadadala yung mga evacuated OFWs natin. Because as you know, the affected area is in the southern part at mga caregivers doon sa southern part of Israel that borders Gaza. And meron na dong no entry o no-go zone doon sa southern part, yung pinakamalapit sa Gaza border, yun ang declared no entry zone ng Israeli Defense Forces. At yung mga Pilipino sa zone na yon, nailikas to safer ground. Kaya yun ang pinupuntahan ng ating labor attaché at welfare officer, yung mga rescue areas. May mga nagtatanong kung dito ba sa particular na lugar na to o hindi, ay hindi ko muna binibigay syempre yung tukoy na rescue areas. We also want to respect the security and the privacy of our OFWs na dadala to safer grounds. But rest assured, our labor attaché and welfare officer are visiting the area. At may augmentation team tayong paalis, DMW and OWA. Pag November 2, may augmentation team that will augment our current personnel on the ground. Lastly, merong 770 families dito sa Pilipinas na humingi ng tulong sa ating helplines to locate their loved ones. At 768 are accounted for, pero may dalawa pa ho tayong hinahanap at idinulog na natin to sa Israeli Defense Forces. Sa Lebanon, merong 124 na OFWs na humiling ng repatriation at ito'y sinasagawa na rin natin. But hindi na rin magtatagal at meron na rin tayong first batch na uuwi from Lebanon.